British TV host, actress, and model. She was born on October 23, 1976, in Birmingham, England. Cat started as a fashion model and soon became a popular face on TV. She became famous hosting shows like So You Think You Can Dance in the US. Her charm, smile, and British accent won many hearts around the world. Cat has also worked in acting, hosting award shows, and voice acting. She is married to actor Patrick Kelty and they have two children. Even with her busy life, Cat always looks stylish and graceful. Now let's talk about her bikini fashion style. Cat loves beach vacation and is often seen in bikinis that are simple but elegant. She wears solid colors like black, white, and red, which highlight her glowing skin. Sometimes she goes for floral or tropical prints, perfect for sunny days. Her bikini style is classy, not flashy. She pairs bikinis with sunglasses, sun hats, or a long, flowing cover-up. She keeps it natural, no heavy makeup, just her natural beauty. Cat Deeley shows us that confidence and grace never go out of style. She's proof that fashion can be both fun and classy at any age. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more celebrity fashion. Thank you.